Hey folks, we're back at the very first spring we cleaned up, our origin story, if you will. Today's mission, clear the riverbank and the stream, using the most advanced tool ever invented, a hand scythe. Yeah, we're going full grandpa mode. Gym? Nah, this is the gym. Cardio, legs, core, emotional healing, all in one sweaty package. We're now moving under the tree because, surprise, working in full sun makes you feel like a rotisserie chicken. This place is slowly coming back to life, just like we remember it from when we were kids. Washing your face at this spring? Pure joy. The water's ice cold, crystal clear, instant refreshment. Like nature slapped you awake. People chase pleasure in all kinds of ways. We just happen to find ours by getting dirty and helping nature heal. Yeah, it's weird, but it works. Oh, and look who showed up. Another local resident of the creek. No idea what it is though? Drop your guesses in the comments, because we're low-key arguing about it. We're tired, dirty, and weirdly happy. Why? Because this is what it means to bring a place back to life, one sweaty, muddy step at a time. If you liked what we're doing, give us a like and leave a comment. It's the best way to say thanks, without having to pick up a scythe yourself. That's the result for today. Not bad for a bunch of folks with a scythe and a dream. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We're gonna keep showing up, sweating buckets, and bringing this place back to life one weed at a time. Stay tuned. Nature's not gonna clean itself.